Hello friends, grammar tutorials number 85, 95. So we'll continue with our this present perfect tense to make ourselves thorough with the form. We will do a very small exercise today, that is changing from simple present to present perfect. Let's see now. So the first sentence, he breaks a bottle. So how will you rewrite in the present perfect? He has broken a bottle. He has broken a bottle. Understand? So has or have plus past participle. So he has unbroken. This is the verb, so past participle of the verb. They go to school. Very simple. They have gone to school. Isn't it? They have gone to school. So here go. So past participle is gone. She sings a song. She has sung a song. She has sung a song. So sing is the verb, so you have got the past participle. He is sick, and that is he has been. He has been sick. Because past participle of be is been. Is been. India wins. India has won. India has won. Wins, past participle is won. Have has. Prasad leaves for China. Prasad has left. Prasad has left for China. Okay. And next, leaves is the present past participle of or V3. Past participle of V3. Some books you will find like this. Means third form of the verb. That is V3 means. Okay, here. Boys play games. Boys have played games. Boys have played games. What does he do? What has he done? What has he done? How does he do it? How has he done it? Then do, done. That's done. I write letters. I have written letters. I have written letters. And next, he lives in Africa. He has lived in Africa. Yes. Next, the undertaker loves you. The undertaker has loved you. The undertaker has loved you. They come out victorious. They have come out victorious. They have come out victorious. I hope it is clear to you. So what I have done is that you, after has or have, you use the past participle of the given verb. Here it is breaks, broken, gone, sung, been, won, left, played, do, done. Thus done. And then write, written. Then I write. I have written letters. Yes. Do. You do it well. Oh, we have missed that. You have done it well. You do it well. You have done it well. You have done it well. So do, done, advises. Father advises his children. Father has advised. Father has advised. Father has advised his children. Father has advised his children. So advice. He lives, he has lived. Undertake, loves, loved. They come out, they came out. Listen. So the formula, get ready, have, has plus past participle or third form of the verb. That is V3. Understand? I think it is clear to you. Make as many sentences as possible. The simple present and then or present continuous and then you change over to the past perfect. Alright, fine. Now let's see if it is possible to do the other way around also. That is, so for example you have another one, let's say, so you have got a present continuous. See, it is raining. Now change this to simple, present perfect. What will you do? It has past participle rain. See that? That's all. From any tense you can convert. Any tense. Now you have tense of tense forms of three tenses. No, like simple present, present continuous, and then present perfect. So you change like this. Try this. First you write in, see, I will show you that. What you should do is this exercise. You can do it at home, play with your friends if you want to game. And now, yes, it rains. It is raining. See that? It has rained. It has rained. Another. He writes novels. He is writing novels. He has written novels. So you can see how from one tense to another, how you can change, how it's easy, you can play games like this. You see, sit in groups. One of you make a sentence in simple present, another will make it into, convert that into present continuous, and the third one will change it to present perfect. Or you can reverse it like this. See, another exercise that you can do is to get thorough with these forms. That's very important. No? So that is, see, you have written like this now. He has gone. He has gone. And he goes. Simple present. He is going. Present continuous. You like to do this? Try. Then you see how these forms are made, and you will get thorough with this form. Okay? So see you again in next class. Till then, bye.